to fiction. You picture poison, this mental friction. Clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic. You're so dramatic. It's automatic. You turn it on like magic. What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? Better again. Get the picture, I beg to differ. You don't deliver to the taste of bitter. How can I find